Hello, this is Dan, and this is my bike check. Starting from the top, I have black stolen money grips, I think they are. Yeah, it says stolen there. And for the bars, I have United Grande bars, but I took off all the stickers. I think everything that's nice is just plain. Yeah, and for the stem, I have a simple stem. And then, to go down, for the headset spacers, I have carbon fibre ones. Don't have a clue what they are. And there it says Colony, it's really blurry, you can't really see it. Yeah, that says Colony. And I have Amity Jesus forks. Is there Jesus there? Yep. And for tyres, both this one and one on the back, both the same. FitFaf Kevlar tyres. Hold up nice, haven't had a puncture yet. Yep. And on the front, have a Odyssey Hazard light rim. There with Odyssey spokes nipples and a Odyssey V2 Von Dero hub. Wait, so let me just get it properly here. You can see it there. And I'll move on to the main part, which is the frame. It's a 24/7. Used to be stock with all the other parts, but I've changed that basically everything now. And I have a seat. I have a We the People seat. Don't know why I have it, but I have that seat. And cranks, I have Primo power bites. They hold up nice. And pedals have a Bike Hamilton pedals and a stolen sprocket and a Salt seat clamp. Don't have a clue what the seat post is. And on the back, the same FitFaf tyre. Odyssey Hazard light rim. Odyssey spokes and nipples. And an Odyssey V3 back hub. Sounds quite nice. There. Yeah, basically it. So that is my bike check. Thanks. Don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe.